Hello my beauty buddies, and if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome. On my channel we look at things that will make your life more fun, beautiful, delicious, and hopefully we save some money along the way. Today we are looking at the Tribe Beauty Box. This was sent to me for review. It is $34.99 every 2 months. And you do need to pay shipping on top of that. The shipping to Canada is $6.99 and takes 4 to 12 business days. Shipping to the United States is $4.99 and takes 3 to 6 business days. And shipping to the UK is 15 pounds to 12 pounds, and it takes 10 to 21 days. And shipping internationally, Europe and South Africa, it is a 14 to 25 business day shipping at checkout, and it doesn't say right now how much it costs. I'm sure it varies by country and customs charges and things like that. So I just want to put that out there. Each box will have 5 full-sized or deluxe samples inside of it, and I'm really excited to see what's inside. So let's open, this thing up. Ooh, beautiful. So this is, let me read off the card, NARS Lip Glide. And it's, or you would be getting a Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy lip color. This is a $26 value. The Estee Lauder would be $28. And let's see here what we've got. It's a very pretty plum purple color. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on dark, and then I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna rub it out a little bit so we can see what it looks like if I were to sheer it out on my lips, which is what I'm probably gonna do. I don't wear the super dark colors that much. So there you've got, you know, it sheared out, and then also if you really applied it deeply. So it says it's semi-matte, and it does look like it's drying down without a shine on both the thicker one and the one where I sheared it out. So that's very pretty. Ooh, next we have some Makeup Geek shadows in here. It says that we have Shimma Shimma, Peach Smoothie, and Aphrodite. Peach Smoothie and Shimma Shimma are 2 classic Makeup Geek shadows. If you don't know Makeup Geek, they make really nice quality shadows. They come in little individual pans. You pop them in a Z palette or something. So something about Aphrodite just sounded too familiar, and I Googled it, and guess what? It's in this other palette that I have here. This is the Manny MUA Makeup Geek palette. Oh, I love this palette. And there's something about that color, it just seemed really familiar. I think you're gonna be able to get a great look with those 3 colors that they got you, because they're very similar kind of to these here. And yeah, so as you can see, I have very well loved this palette. It's probably one of my top 10 palettes that I own. How handy, there are some Vasanti makeup wipes. I'm going to use one of these, I think, right now to get this off of my hand. And the value of this is $12. And let's see, how many are in here? There are 30. Let's see how they work. All right, all came off. These are micellar water, and they are paraben-free, alcohol-free, sulfate-free, fragrance-free, vegan-friendly, and never tested on animals. We also have a So Susan highlighting pencil that has a $20 value. And So Susan has very good quality products. I have a concealer by So Susan, and I had something else, and I don't for the life of me remember. It was probably like 3 or 4 years ago. So hopefully this will work out nicely. And it says that it's a universally flattering ivory cream crayon that brings your best features to light, made with white truffle extract and iceryl peptide to help reduce eye bags and increase skin elasticity. The last thing in here is a Crown Brush Trio set of brushes. I already have these from a previous beauty subscription box, and I have to say, I really like this one a lot, the smaller shadow brush. And the other 2 are very nice too, very soft, and they're kind of cool looking white. You know, not the best brushes I've ever had in my life, but they're fine. So adding up the total value here, we've got, what, $26. Hey Siri.
26 plus 18 plus 30 plus 12 plus 20 is 106.
So our total value in here is $106, and you paid $34.99 plus shipping depending where you lived. In the United States, you know, you're about like, what, $39, $40 for this box. And you know, really the main competitor for this would be BoxyCharm. And BoxyCharm always gives about $100 or more value also. So I think what you need to do, these were all good products. Love NARS, love Makeup Geek, the Crown brushes are nice. The wipes are something you can always use. I guess what you have to think of, and then the So Susan highlighting pencil is something that'll be handy too. I mean, I will probably use that to carve out underneath my eyebrows, and I'm gonna try it under my eyes, and if that works, I will be really excited to have a dual purpose item like that. But then what you need to do is look at the different beauty boxes that are in the price range that you can afford and see who has the products that you like the most. I'm noticing, just because I looked back at a couple of the past Tribe beauty boxes, that they have some brands in there that I don't usually see in beauty boxes, like the NARS, like the Estee Lauder. I've seen like a cream or something, but I haven't really ever seen any of the makeup. So, you know, it's kind of interesting to see what they're working in that might be different than some of the other beauty boxes out there. So definitely, I mean, this is all stuff that I would use, and if I saw this sitting here for $40 with $106 value, I'd be extremely tempted to buy it. If I didn't have a beauty channel and just a boatload of stuff, I would totally buy it. But obviously I'm a little bit different of a boat than a lot of people because of how much stuff I'm reviewing. But I'm going back to Nicole before the beauty channel and all this. I would have totally bought this. So overall, I think it's a great value. You know, BoxyCharm is a big competitor to this. They're only $21 a month, and that includes your shipping. So that's something to think about. Gotta be totally honest here, you guys. You know, but you need to look at the boxes, what's inside of them, and what the brands are, and what you're usually getting. What's more important to you? You know, what seems to have more of a variety of what you like. So, you know, check out some other videos that have some of the other boxes. You know, compare it to this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, you are amazing, and you can do so much more than you would ever think. The older I get, I'm 51, and I just want to put it out there, you know, go for the things you really want to do in life. I have been enjoying having a YouTube channel so much, and I didn't start until I was, what, like 47 years old? So, you know, just do stuff like that. I ever thought, oh my God, what's she doing? And it has been so much fun. I've had such great experiences. So go for it. Do the things that bring you joy in life. Bye.